Adaukwu. My name is Adaukwu. You know, today is Saturday, and every Saturday we bring what we call Proverbs. You know what Proverbs is? Proverbs is Ilu in Igbo language. And every Saturday we bring it just to have fun, not every time learn. Although we still end up learning, you still end up knowing what a meaning of a particular proverb is. Today we are going to bring a particular proverb. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Welcome back. In today's proverbs, what we are bringing is a proverb that we all know, but we might not really know what it means in Igbo or even in English. Yes. So we are going to say the proverbs and what it means in Igbo language. What is that proverbs all about? Have you seen where two powerful people fight and the innocent ones suffer it? We say in English that when two elephants fight, the grass suffers. In Igbo, we say mgbe enyi abụọ na-alụ ọgụ, ahịhịa na-ata ahụhụ. This proverb in any way does not concern the elephant. N'ụzọ ọbụla, ilulu a agbasataghị enyi. Ihe ilulu a na-agbalị ịkọwatara anyị bụ na mgbe ndị dị ike abụọ